Do you feel sad because you stay at home every day and never see new places? I know this feeling very well. You look at pictures on your phone and wish you were there. But today, everything changes. I will help you plan your dream trip and show you why seeing new places is amazing. Welcome to English Listening Lab. Please subscribe to English Listening Lab right now so we can learn together. Let us talk about my dream trip today. I want to tell you about my dream trip today. A dream trip is a very special holiday. You think about it all the time. Sometimes you sit in your room and you feel very bored. You look at the walls and you want to see something new. This is why I want to travel. I want to leave my small town and see the big world. The world is very big and very beautiful. There are many countries and many cities to visit. I want to see them all. I want to walk on new streets. I want to look at new trees and new skies. Traveling makes me feel very happy and very free. I do not want to stay in one place forever. I want to pack my bags and go to a new place. This dream trip is very important to me. It gives me a lot of hope and a lot of joy. First, I'll want to visit a very big city. I live in a small town, so a big city is very exciting for me. I want to see very tall buildings. These buildings touch the sky. At night, the big city is very bright. There are many lights everywhere. Red lights, blue lights, and yellow lights shine in the dark. I want to walk on the busy streets. I want to see many cars and many buses. I want to hear the loud sounds of the city. I want to see people walking fast. Food is a very big reason why I want to travel. When you go to a new place, you can eat new food. In my town, I eat the same food every day. I eat rice, bread, and apples. But on my dream trip, I want to eat different things. I want to go to a restaurant in a new country. I want to look at the menu and order something I do not know. Maybe it is spicy, or maybe it is sweet. I want to eat fresh fish near the sea. I want to eat warm bread from the small bakery. I want to drink sweet juice from fresh fruit. Eating new food is a great adventure. You learn about the country when you eat their food. I want to share this food with new friends. I will take pictures of my food because it looks so beautiful and tastes so good. After the big city, I want to visit a quiet beach. The beach is a very beautiful place. I want to see the blue water and the white sand. The sun is very hot and very bright at the beach. I want to walk on the sand with no shoes. The sand feels warm and soft under my feet. I want to listen to the water. The sound of the water is very quiet and very nice. It makes me feel very relaxed. I do not want to look at my phone or my computer. I only want to look at the water and the sky. The sky is very blue and there are no clouds. I want to find beautiful shells on the sand. I will put the shells in my pocket and take them home. The beach is the best place to rest and feel happy. There are many fun things to do at the beach. I want to swim in the clean blue water. The water is cool and fresh. Swimming is very good exercise, and it is very fun. After I swim, I want to dry my body in the warm sun. I will put a big towel on the sand and lie down. I want to read a good book. Reading a book at the beach is my favorite thing to do. I can read for many hours. Sometimes I will close my eyes and sleep for a short time. I will sleep under a big umbrella so the sun does not burn my skin. I also want to build a big castle with the sand. Children build sand castles, but adults can build them too. It is very fun to play in the sand and forget all your problems. My dream trip also has high mountains. I want to go from the hot beach to the cold mountains. The mountains are very big and very strong. They are covered in green trees and white snow. The air in the mountains is very clean and very fresh. When I breathe the air, I feel very healthy. I want to wear warm clothes in the mountains. I will wear a thick jacket, a warm hat, and big boots. I want to walk on the small paths in the forest. Walking in the mountains is very quiet. You do not hear cars or buses. You only hear the wind in the trees. I want to climb high and look down at the world. When you are on top of a mountain, everything looks very small. It is a very beautiful picture. In the mountains, I want to see wild animals. I live in a town, so I only see dogs and cats. But in the forest, there are many different animals. I want to see beautiful birds flying in the sky. I want to listen to the birds sing their sweet songs. Maybe I will see a small rabbit running in the grass. I must be very quiet so I do not scare the animals. I want to take my camera and take many pictures of them. Taking pictures of animals is very hard, but very fun. You must wait a long time for the animal to come. I also want to see beautiful flowers in the mountains. There are red, yellow, and purple flowers everywhere. The animals and the flowers make the mountains very colorful and very full of life. Meeting new people is a very important part of my dream trip. When I travel, I do not want to be alone all the time. I want to talk to the people who live in the new city or the new country. I want to say hello and ask them about their lives. I want to know what they do every day. People are very different in every country, but they are also very nice. I want to make new friends. We can sit in a cafe and drink coffee together. We can talk about our families and our dreams. When you make friends in a new place, the place feels like home. You will always remember the people you meet. They teach you many new things. Making friends is the best souvenir from any trip. When I meet new people, I want to learn their language. Learning a new language is very hard, but it is very fun. I want to learn how to say hello and how to say thank you. If I speak a little bit of their language, the people will be very happy. They will smile at me. I want to carry a small book with words in the new language. I will read the book every day. I will practice speaking with the people in the shops and the restaurants. I will point at things and ask for their names. This is a very good way to learn. When I learn new words, my brain grows bigger. I understand the world better. Traveling helps me practice my new words every single day. It is the best school in the world. To go on my dream trip, I must travel by airplane. I really like airplanes. The airport is a very big and very busy place. There are people from all over the world at the airport. They all have big bags and tickets in their hands. I want to give my bag to the man and walk to the big plane. When I get on the plane, I want to sit next to the window. The window seat is the best seat. When the plane goes up in the sky, I can look down. The houses and the cars look like tiny toys. Then the plane goes above the clouds. The clouds look like soft white cotton. I will drink some water, watch a movie, and sleep on the plane. Flying in the sky is a magical feeling. I also want to travel by train on my dream trip. Trains are very nice and very comfortable. You can sit in a big chair and look out the big window. The train moves fast, but it is very smooth. I want to take a train across a beautiful country. I will look out the window and see green farms, small rivers, and old bridges. I can stand up and walk inside the train. I can go to the train cafe and buy a cup of hot tea. I will drink my hot tea and watch the beautiful world outside. Traveling by train is very relaxing. You do not have to drive a car. You just sit and enjoy the long ride. I want to take a train ride that lasts all day and all night. Before I go on my dream trip, I must pack my bag. Packing is very exciting because it means the trip is starting very soon. I will take a big blue suitcase. I will put many things inside my suitcase. I need to pack clothes for hot weather and clothes for cold weather. I will pack my favorite blue shirts, my comfortable shoes, and my warm jacket. I will also pack my toothbrush and my soap. I must not forget my camera. My camera is very important for taking beautiful pictures. I will also pack a map of the new city. I like to look at paper maps to find my way. I will pack a small notebook and a pen. I want to write down all the fun things I do every day. Packing my bag makes me very happy. Taking pictures is a big part of my dream trip. I want to remember every single day of my holiday. I will take pictures of the big buildings, the blue beach, and the green mountains. I will ask people to take a picture of me standing in front of famous places. I want to smile big in every photo. I will also take pictures of the delicious food I eat. When my trip is finished, I will go back home. I will sit with my family and my friends. I will show them all my beautiful pictures. I will tell them the story of every picture. I will say, "This is the place where I ate the best fish. And this is the place where I saw a wild bird." Pictures help keep the happy memories alive forever. I also want to buy souvenirs on my dream trip. Souvenirs are small things you buy to remember your trip. I want to go to small shops and look at all the nice things. I want to buy a beautiful magnet for my kitchen. I will put the magnet on my fridge so I can see it every day. I want to buy a nice hat with the name of the city on it. I also want to buy gifts for my family and my friends. I will buy a nice cup for my mother and a sweet chocolate box for my father. Buying gifts for other people makes me very happy. I want to share my dream trip with them. When they look at the gifts, they will know I thought about them while I was far away. Finally, my dream trip must end, and I must return home. Going home is a little bit sad, but it is also very good. I will be very tired from all the walking and all the traveling. I will want to sleep in my own comfortable bed. When I open the door to my house, I will feel very happy. My house is quiet and safe. I will unpack my big blue suitcase and wash all my dirty clothes. I will put my new souvenirs on the table. I will feel like a new person. Seeing new places changes you. You learn new things, and you see how big the world is. After I rest for a few days, I will open my computer. I will start looking at new maps. I will begin planning my next big dream trip. Today, we talked about my dream trip and why I want to see new places. We explored big cities, quiet beaches, and high mountains. We learned about eating new food, meeting new people, and traveling by train and airplane. Seeing the world is a beautiful adventure that teaches us many things. Next time, we will talk about my favorite hobbies and how to have fun at home. You will not want to miss it. Please subscribe to English Listening Lab on YouTube and follow us on all social media so we can continue learning together.